This is what passion looks like, and this is what purpose looks like. I want to assert that there is a difference between passion and purpose. Now, in the dictionary, passion is defined as intense desire, enthusiasm, and enjoyment. Purpose is defined by resolve, determination, and intention. If you live your life without passion or purpose, you are a walking dead. If you live your life chasing only your passion, you are a drug addict. If you live your life fulfilling your purpose, then you are a freaking legend. As a hero maker, I have a secret weapon, as all superheroes do, right? My secret weapon is a crystal ball. Now, according to ancient fables and myths, what crystal balls allow people to do is to see a possible future so that they can act on it and have it become reality. My crystal ball comes in the form of 3 questions. Number 1, what is the impact you want to be remembered for making in the world? Number 2, what is the message you want to share with the rest of the world? And number 3, making the whole thing real. 1 year and 50 videos from now, what would you want to have accomplished? Let me talk about one of the most prolific video content creators on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram right now. In fact, he only started about 3 years ago. To date, what he has is 1.4 million Instagram followers, 14 million Facebook fans. And we're talking about per video, averaging about 3 million to 28 million views and 3,000 to about 27,000 comments, and that's per video. Who I'm talking about is Nas Daily. Hi! Nas currently stands at about 2,842 videos on Facebook, and he's still producing more. And the first question that might come to mind for you is, how the heck does he have so much content to produce? I'll tell you his secret. He has his own crystal ball, and he has a mission to fulfill.
At 5 p.m. on January 5th, 2019, as I went on stage after this 1,000-day journey, brown, average, village, Muslim were no longer in my head. In the real world, at the end of the day, people like us have it harder in life, and women have it even harder. But if we just take control of our destiny and put ourselves out there, I swear to your God and my God that no matter how you look like, where you come from, and what you believe in, you can change the world in your own way.
Take me back to the jungle.
And that was Nas Daily. Now, personally, I have a background of about 22 years in music in total. I have a grade 8 ABRSM in violin, for those who know what that is. I'm also been performing and teaching on the cello and the guitar for, like I said, about 22 years in total. But music is not it. Music was a passion. Now, in terms of gaming, I'm a very avid online gamer myself. I've played about 100 to 200 game titles so far, and I'm not exaggerating. I've even went so far to work 7 years in a multinational online games company, worked my way up to even become an online games consultant with the CEO office. But guess what? Games is not it. Games is a passion. Now, with content video productions, let me first say, I do not have a passion in the technicalities of the camera. I do not use my free time to go shoot more videos because I'm passionate about videos. No, not at all. What I do believe is that videos give voice to people who want to make a difference in the world today. And my message to these people is speak up and speak out. So because the rest of the world deserves to hear your message. And because I personally believe that content videos is the best tool and medium today to deliver the message that they have to impact the world, sometimes I find myself staying up till about 4 a.m. even, just to perfect the final message delivery on video. And this purpose I'm fulfilling right now through my business. If you ask me, would I keep doing that till the day I die? The answer is an absolute yes. Now at this point, I just want to give a shout out to two very amazing gentlemen, Mel and Joe, and the X Factor team. In just 2 days, I attended 2 days of the X Factor Mastermind happened just this January. I had a complete contextual transformation in the nature and purpose of my business. I was able to not just be clear for myself, but also articulate to others what is it I truly believe in and that I truly do. Now, many very fantastic results came out of it very shortly after I attended the program, but one of the most amazing things that came out of it was this video series. You know, back before, I was just so resistant about it. I was so adamant that I don't need to produce any videos. When in fact, I didn't realize that I have a lot to give and share as well myself. I now have literally a lifetime of content to share with the world. Now with Mel and Joe, they are just ridiculously good at what they do and they have such big hearts. So be sure to check out their X Factor method right in the link below this video. Share with us in the comments below. What do you think is the purpose that your business is out to fulfill in the world, and what is your message for the world? Also, share this video with someone that you know is out to make an impact in the world in what they're doing in their business. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more useful content like this. And I'll see you in the next video.